Are you a school owner? Imagine a future where your school runs smoothly every day, powered by reliable, sustainable energy that doesn't break the bank. With e-Phaim Energy Limited, that future is within reach. We specialize in customized solar energy solutions for schools across Nigeria, helping institutions like yours save on energy costs while providing an uninterrupted learning environment. By harnessing the power of the sun, you not only ensure continuous power but also create a greener, more sustainable campus that inspires the next generation of eco-conscious leaders. Why choose solar? Reduced electricity bills, resilience against power outages, and an environmentally friendly solution that aligns with educational values. Solar energy is a win for your school. Our team at e-Phaim Energy ensures a seamless process, from design and installation to ongoing support, so that your solar system remains efficient year after year. Be part of the solar revolution and show your commitment to sustainable development. With e-Phaim Energy, power your school's future with the energy of tomorrow. This approach emphasizes cost savings, reliability, and environmental stewardship, which are especially relevant to schools. Join countless Nigerian schools making the smart switch. Contact e-Phaim Energy Limited today at 234-818-118-8770, 234-90999888770, or visit ephimenergy.com.ng to get started. e-Phaim Energy Limited, let there be light.